Now we have 2 bikes, so you can come on bike rides with me.
Stop!
You can ride the other one. I'll be right back, bro.
I'm gonna come too. I'll go with
Well,
you.
if you become a nurse, we'll get you a bike too. So how does it handle?
Very well. It's so light.
It's dreamy.
It moves so much better than the other.
Stop. Okay, Mom.
Now what?
Now we have my girlfriend. So I'll go put the seat. You go put the second one.
See, you both got new wheels today.
Yeah, man, but automatically his are cooler.
What now?
I said automatically his are cooler because I mean, look at it.
Okay, Mommy.
Am I supposed to be turning around?
You're supposed to be turning around like that while I did.
Huh? Yeah, just something.
Hey, Michael. Can you wave?
Yeah.
That's the washing the windows. Hey, we should put that auga, auga horn on there.